Hi there, I'm Ira Weinstein with Recon Research.
And I'm Jim Kelly with Recon Research. Today, we're talking about the Logitech Rally Bar, an all-in-one Android-based BYOD-ready video bar solution designed for mid-sized meeting rooms. Let's roll.
Recently, the Recon Research team spent some time evaluating Rally Bar, an all-in-one video bar with an attractive modern design language and a motorized pan-tilt zoom camera.
To make this happen, Logitech sent us a Rally Bar and Logitech Tap Touch Controller.
After weeks of using Rally Bar in our lab and in production, here's what we think you need to know. Number 8, the Rally Bar bundles. A standard Rally Bar package includes a Rally Bar, a table stand, a handheld remote, some cables, and a power supply for a list price of US $39.99. And Rally Bar bundles with a Tap Touch controller start at under $5,000. Rally Bar is available from Logitech resellers, various retailers and e-tailers, and the Logitech website. Number 7, support for many different use cases. Rally Bar is pretty much a jack of all trades. Well, at least many trades. First, Rally Bar can be mounted on the table, on a wall, or below or above a display. For our testing, we used the table stand and display mount.
In terms of connections, Rally Bar supports 1 or 2 displays, wired and wireless network connections, and up to 3 wired mic pods.
The wired mic pods extend the audio coverage beyond the 15-foot range of the built-in microphone array.
The system offers USB-C and HDMI connections for BYOD mode and USB ports for a Logitech Tap and for a touch display. There's even an extra USB port for other use cases. We're thinking perhaps a second camera or another microphone system. Stay tuned on that one.
Also, Rally Bar can be controlled in 3 different ways: using the Logitech Tap Touch controller, using a standard touch display, and using the included Bluetooth remote control. The handheld remote is especially useful while in BYOD mode and for convenient access to common functions like camera control, volume control, and mute. We tested all of these control options and each worked very well.
Finally, Rally Bar can also be used with Logitech Switch, which empowers 2 additional use cases. First, single cable BYOD mode using DisplayLink. That means you only have to make a single USB connection to your laptop. And second, to add support for BYOD in a Microsoft Teams room environment. Like we said, Rally Bar is really a jack of many trades.
Number 6, integrated cable management. After decades in the AV world, we understand the importance of proper cable management. Unfortunately, many vendors ignore cable management when they design their products. Logitech is clearly an exception.
Rally Bar's integrated cable management system offers several benefits. First, it hides the cable connections. Second, it provides strain relief and cable retention. Third, it allows for a tidy installation.
Hopefully, other vendors will follow Logitech's example for cable management. Number 5, a native centralized management solution. Logitech Sync is a cloud-based monitoring, management, and analytics system, and Rally Bar offers native sync support.
As part of our testing, we added our Rally Bar to our company's Sync account, which gave us immediate access to device status information and device settings. Next, we told Sync how many people our meeting room could accommodate safely and enabled Logitech Insights for our Rally Bar.
With Insights enabled, Rally Bar started sending usage and other data up to the Sync platform. And 24 hours later, the Insights area within Logitech Sync presented some advanced analytics information, including meeting duration information, meeting frequency information, and meeting room utilization as a percentage of the workday, and even average seat utilization data. Sync also highlighted situations where the seat utilization in our room exceeded the safe occupancy limit we specified earlier.
Logitech Insights is currently in beta and available for free. Well, for now. and we expect Logitech to add additional capabilities over time.
Number 4, the simplicity of appliance mode. Rally Bar supports 2 modes of operation, appliance mode and bring your own device or BYOD mode. In appliance mode, Rally Bar acts as a standalone turnkey video conferencing system for third-party collaboration services.
When we first tested Rally Bar in appliance mode, it was a fully certified Zoom Room system. Today, in appliance mode, Rally Bar also supports Pexip Rooms, Go to Room, and Ring Central Rooms. Logitech has also announced plans to support Microsoft Teams Rooms in appliance mode.
We used Rally Bar in appliance mode during dozens of test and production Zoom calls, and we controlled the system using tap, using a touch display, and using the handheld remote control. In all cases, Rally Bar never skipped a beat. The experience was always strong.
Number 3, the flexibility of BYOD mode. Rally Bar also offers native BYOD or bring your own device support. In BYOD mode, Rally Bar acts as the microphone, speakers, and camera for a user's laptop running a collaboration app. To test BYOD mode, we connected USB and HDMI cables between Rally Bar and our Windows and Mac laptops. A few seconds later, Rally Bar automatically detected our laptop and displayed a 5-second countdown on screen.
Now there are 2 interesting points here. First, with Rally Bar, BYOD mode is activated automatically when a laptop is connected, without requiring the user to press any buttons or start this mode. Second, with the on-screen countdown, Rally Bar keeps the users in the loop while it switches from appliance to BYOD mode. Now at the end of the 5-second countdown, we were ready to make BYOD calls using the meeting room display and Rally Bar as our camera, microphone, and speaker.
While using Rally Bar in BYOD mode, the tap controller shifts to a BYOD control screen and offers camera, volume, and mute controls. As part of this effort, we took Rally Bar in BYOD mode through its paces with multiple laptops and various collaboration apps including Cisco WebEx, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Zoom meetings, and more.
Throughout our testing, shifting Rally Bar between appliance and BYOD mode and back again, everything worked perfectly, and the BYOD call experience was excellent.
Number 2, a fantastic video experience. Rally Bar sports a motorized pan-tilt camera with 4K resolution and 5x optical zoom. And throughout our testing, the camera's performance was fantastic.
In our small and mid-sized meeting rooms, Rally Bar's camera provided sharp and bright images with vivid colors and accurate flesh tones. Also, the system's automatic room framing feature kept everyone on camera at all times. Suffice it to say, Rally Bar's camera is more than ready to tackle even the most challenging mid-sized spaces.
Number 1, exceptional audio performance. Rally Bar's integrated 6-element beam-forming mic array did a fine job capturing our talkers at distances well beyond its rated 15-foot pickup range.
However, Rally Bar also supports the use of 3 Rally mic pods, each offering a 360-degree pickup range of 15 feet. Sure, we could do the math here, but what matters is that Rally Bar can capture audio from many people in many parts of a pretty big meeting room.
We also tested Rally Bar's noise reduction system by introducing a range of distracting sounds into the meeting room. We added HVAC noise, traffic noise, lawnmower noise, typing noise, and even potato chip bag crinkling noise. Yes, we put Rally Bar to the test. And in all cases, Rally Bar either eliminated or significantly reduced the unwanted noise and protected the meeting experience.
Finally, Rally Bar's dual 2.7-inch speakers and port tubes easily filled our meeting rooms with high-quality speech audio. We've watched Logitech up its game in audio over the years, but with Rally Bar, Logitech really took things to the next level.
The Recon Research test team took Rally Bar through its paces. We used Rally Bar in appliance mode to make Zoom calls, And we used Rally Bar in BYOD mode to make Microsoft Teams, WebEx, Google Meet, BlueJeans, GoToMeeting, and PEXIP calls. We sat close to and far from the camera lens, and we absolutely tortured its audio system by adding all kinds of obtrusive noises into the meeting. And throughout our testing, Rally Bar hit it out of the park.
Companies seeking an all-in-one video system for mid-size rooms that supports BYOD and native collaboration apps should take a close look at Rally Bar. You'll like what you see, and you'll definitely like what you hear. Thank you, and have a great day.